Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited because today I am going to be filming for you one of my absolute favorite eye looks of all time, and that is a 100% purple look. I know maybe that sounds crazy to you, but I generally don't wear a lot of color in my daily, my wardrobe, so I like to infuse color into my makeup. And my favorite colors are purple and yellow. Yellow doesn't really show up too well on my skin tone, or at least I haven't found the perfect yellow yet, but purple is my all-time favorite. I love it so much. It makes me so happy, and it also makes my brown eyes really pop. So I'm going to be doing that today, and I'm going to be using 100% Colourpop products on my eyes, aside from mascara, because fortunately Colourpop does not make mascara yet. Please, Colourpop, I know that you will never watch this video. Please make mascara and make my dreams come true. That would be amazing. Love you. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get right on into the video, so let's get going. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be using all Colourpop products today, and I'll just give you kind of a rundown of what I'm going to be using. Okay, so I wanted to have like a deep shade for the crease, and I don't really have any in the Super Shock shadows, so I am reaching today for my You Had Me at Hello palette. So I'm only going to be using one shade from this palette today, and that is this deep shade here, and that is in the shade Pulling Strings. Like I said, I wanted a really deep crease shade. It looks extremely brown in the pan, but when you swatch it, there is a little bit of like a purple undertone. And then once I show you all these products, I am going to insert swatches of all of them as well. So that is going to be my crease shade. And I'm also going to be using this shade here. This is a Super Shock shadow in the shade Bill. This is one of their matte Super Shocks, and I'm going to be using this product. Another one I'm going to be using is Daddy. I'm going to be using, this is a Super Shock Ultra Glitter shadow, and this is in the shade Wittle. Hoping it'll kind of, maybe if I put it in front of my face, it'll, I don't know. There we go. So you can tell this is well loved, nice glittery shade. And I am also going to be using, just to brighten up the center of the eye, I'm going to be using the Super Shock shadow. It's an ultra glitter as well. This is called a Birthday Wish. And this shade came out this year for their 4th birthday. So I got this, I love it. It is a nice champagne undertone with purple and pink glitter in there as well. I'm wondering if you can see any of that color in there. It's beautiful. And again, right now I'm going to insert a photo of these swatched on my arm so you can see what exactly they look like. Enough talking, let's get right into the color. So excited. It's gonna be so beautiful. And I have nowhere to go today, so just gonna be looking good for my dog and my cat and my husband. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna be using this really deep crease shade from the You Had Me at Hello palette, and it is in the shade, again, Pulling Strings. And I am going to be using my Real Techniques. This is a multitask eye brush. You can see it's a nice fluffy brush. And I'm going to be using that and going right into the crease just to deepen it up. The next shade that I am going to be using is Bill. Again, this is the matte color, and I'm going to apply this on my entire lid, kind of as a purpley base, I don't know. So I am going to be using just a domed eyeshadow brush. This one I believe is from ELF. All of the writing has come off of it. I've had it a while, but works just the same. And again, just applying that all over to the lid, up to the crease. Okay, I'm gonna be using Daddy. Focus, there we go. All over the lid as well. So getting real crazy. And I'm gonna try this also with that same domed eyeshadow brush, but usually I apply this one with my finger, so we'll see how it goes here. So now we're gonna go ahead and have a little bit of fun and add some glitter there as well. So the first shade that I'm gonna go into is Wittle. That is that deeper purple, and it has a nice glitter in there, a nice little flip, like a periwinkle blue purple flip in the colors there. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to apply this with my finger. And I'm gonna apply that on the outer V to just about halfway in. Okay, so the last shade that I'm using on my eye today is Birthday Wish. And again, that is that champagne undertone with the pinky purple flip glitter. So I'm going to apply that again with my finger from the inner corner to meet up in the center where I have Wittle, and I'll kind of blend that in, again using my finger. Okay, my lower lash is cleaned up, and now I am going to add some color on the bottom as well. This is a large smudge brush from Real Techniques, and I am going to use the shade Daddy, which was that really bright purple, and I'm going to add that all the way on the lower lash line. Okay, with this same brush, I'm actually going to go into Wittle, which was that deeper glittery purple, and I'm going to smoke that also along the outer V of the lower lash line. Okay, so that just added a little bit of depth under the eye, and yeah, added a little bit of depth and glitter to the bottom lash line. And now I want a little bit of kind of a pop here. I do have on quite a bit of the Rosy highlighter today, but I'm gonna stick to my You Had Me at Hello palette. And I am gonna go into this shade down here, the lightest champagne shimmer. That is in the shade Candygram. And I'm gonna add that just under my eyebrows and a little bit in the inner corner. And I am going to be using my Chloe Precision Highlighter brush to do that. So shadow is done. It is purple, it is amazing, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add my mascara. I am using my favorite Colourpop lip pencil in 951. This is from one of the first I Love Sarahi collaborations, and I'm gonna use that today to line my lips. And then just very simple today, my lips have been super dry, so I don't wanna use anything matte or crazy, because I think it'll just feel uncomfortable. I'm using my favorite gloss from Colourpop as well, and that is in the shade Fairy Floss. So I'll go ahead and get my lips on. So that is the look. I really hope that you like this video. Again, if you want to comment your favorite Colourpop product down below, or if you've never tried Colourpop before, what do you really want to try? If it's something that I have, I can review it for you, or I can give suggestions if you want. Yeah, I have some other filming to do today, so this is going to go up after my giveaway video. So if you have not yet Ooh, my camera's shaky. If you have not yet entered to win my giveaway, please do so. You have until I think the 20th of January to do it. I'm really excited. This is my first giveaway. I'm really just trying to grow both my Instagram and my YouTube presence, and I figured a giveaway is a really fun way to do it. Some of my favorite products are in there. So yeah, go check out that video. I will link it below, and I'm super excited to have you here. Again, if you could like this video, if you enjoyed it, leave a comment down below. And also, if you could subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome. I would love to have you as part of my community as I grow and learn and try to get better at this thing called YouTube. I know that I'm not the best YouTuber out there, but I'm having a lot of fun trying to figure it out. So let's grow together and do this thing. So yeah. Yeah, I think that's all. Honestly, my brain is so fried today, and it's only Tuesday, so it's gonna be a really good week. All right, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.